Today's video shows the cleaning of stone lions that have withstood the elements. These two stone lions are very majestic and imposing. However, the surface was covered with all sorts of dirt. The equipment we'll be using today is the GT500. Powering the GT500 using external discharge from a new energy vehicle. Use the floor preset parameters. Take precautions against laser damage. Start work. Watching laser cleaning is so relaxing. All dirt was swept away. It looks brand new after scanning. Laser cleaning does not damage stone carvings. But it's cleaning both quickly and well. Mission accomplished. Let's take a look at the results together.